Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be covering how to customize any sublimation ceramic shot glass using the HPN Signature Series mug press with the shot glass attachment. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. Let's get started. If you're looking to make yours or another's shots feel more personal at a function or local bar, it's definitely worth considering HPN's 1.5 ounce sublimation shot glasses. Even with their small size, these ceramic items are ready to hold any sort of print, scaled down to it at their best colors, whether you're applying a simple logo or vivid graphic. HPN's sublimation shot glasses are available in white and are now offered with a two-tone black and white finish. These shot glasses specifically have their inside completely black with the outside still white to allow applied sublimation transfers to appear with high contrast. You may have assumed that a convection oven and shot glass wraps would be the only way to sublimate this particularly small drinkware. But with the right machine, you may have another option to switch to another heating element for smaller items. HPN's Signature Series 7-in-1 mug press specifically includes a shot glass attachment that's ready to replace the default 11-ounce mug element on the machine. And if you already own a Signature Series mug press, you can still grab the shot glass attachment on its own to add to your set of heating elements. Once you have it set up with your machine, customizing ceramic sublimation shot glasses will be just as easy as with coffee mugs. The only other important step in pressing a shot glass with the Signature Series mug press is to keep it in place to accommodate its lack of a handle. Though before we get right into this, we should note that HPN's shot glasses are not dishwasher safe and have not been microwave tested. It's also worth noting the tapered nature of these shot glasses, which requires you to warp your design according to its shape. Feel free to download and use our template for 1.5 ounce shot glasses linked below, which will give you an idea of how your design should be warped. But by opening this template on Adobe Photoshop, you can simply import your design into a warped smart object layer that's also been scaled to the imprint area dimensions of HPN's sublimation shot glasses. With your shot glass design ready, you may print it through your sublimation printer. For Sawgrass printers, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager and set the following settings. Substrate to ceramic mug, paper set to your paper's profile, leave the mirror option checked, and in the color tab, set the color mode to photographic or vivid, depending on your design's level of detail. With all of these set, go ahead and click print on SPM. After the design's been printed, trim around the image by cutting slightly past the gray borders. Then, tightly wrap the transfer around the shot glass. To keep this all in place, attach a long strip of heat tape to the edge of the transfer. Half of the tape should stick out, as this half will serve as our method of keeping the shot glass in place when pressing it. But now that our shot glass is ready, this is a good time to replace the Signature Series default heating element with the shot glass attachment. Loosen the 4 thumb screws on top of the element, then disconnect and slide it out. Now you can slide the shot glass attachment into the machine's mounting holes at the center, then screw it in place with the thumb screws. You may need to loosen the front and back knobs enough to where the attachment can fully slide in. Connect its cable to the machine, and now we can do a few test presses with our shot glass to find firm pressure. Simply bring it inside the attachment with the loose tape facing upwards, which you may then attach to the mug press. You'll also need to repeat this while heat pressing the shot glass, as this tape helps prevent it from popping out as you open the machine, alongside reducing any chances of image ghosting or shifting. But with the shot glass in place, adjust the front and back knobs accordingly, test press it, then continue to adjust the knobs and test press to fine-tune your pressure. While attaching the tape to the upper half of the machine worked out for us during the application, it's best to have your tape positioned to where it can attach to the bottom half of the machine. This way, it's easier to peel off once you've finished pressing your shot glass. But as soon as you've found firm pressure for your shot glass, detach and take it out and turn on your mug press, setting it to 190 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. As soon as your machine reaches temperature, bring the shot glass with the loose tape out, back inside the attachment. Attach the tape to the machine, then press it. To be as careful as possible when working on these smaller items with an active machine, we recommend wearing heat-resistant gloves during application. After 190 seconds, open your machine and peel the tape on the machine out, carefully bringing the shot glass out to cool down. Once it's cooled, you may peel your transfer off, and this shot glass has now been made custom with your Sublimation transfer. If you'd like to share your custom shot glasses or other drinkware with us, alongside a growing community of heat transfer and customization enthusiasts, please be sure to join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. To learn more about HPN Signature Series mug presses and Sublimation drinkware, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can get in touch with my expert representative at heat.press/support. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching and drink responsibly.